All right, hello and welcome back to another video. My name is Spivey J, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. We talk about transformation, mindset mastery, and getting more fulfillment out of this life. So I lived in China for about 4 years. Some years ago, I lived in China for like 4 years, right? And this is part embarrassing, part badass, but I actually knew like less than 100 Mandarin words when I left. Like I literally was surviving off of body language, knowing the things I needed to know to survive, which were the less than 100 words, vibes, and just winging it as I went. And that's embarrassing because when people are talking about like cultural immersion, right now everyone's like learning languages and becoming polyglots and truly like embracing the whole like cultural experience, food, language, culture. I mean, food, language, people, places, Me, I went with a different mindset. But before I went, my life had become super chaotic within a short period of time. Kitchen burnt down, lost my job, unemployment went out, a car accident that caused us to roll down a hill. We all survived safely, but all that was pointing to me not going anywhere. And it was every reason, it was literally every reason almost that you can think of for me not to go. And that chaos didn't faze me at the time. I knew what I wanted and I was determined to go get it. And so for me, that meant my determination and my focus, which was to, I went to China for one reason and one reason only, and that was to learn how to export, manufacture, source products, and get it back to the United States. Now, of course, when I got there, that changed. It was like one of the most beautiful, amazing experiences of my life. But when I went, that's what my focus was. So learning the language was an afterthought. I just needed to have enough to get by because I was so focused on what I needed to focus on. So you could say I wasn't living in the present moment and my awareness was so sharp that I kind of stole an opportunity for myself. Or you can say that I made a decision and I went there and I got it done. However you look at it, that was equal parts embarrassing, equal parts badass because I didn't have any like trouble. Like I was surviving and thriving. And so when you start making hard decisions in your life, sometimes you're going to have to release all of the benefits and all of the features so that you can focus on making the best choice for you at the moment. Not saying you can't come back and reiterate, because right here in real time, I'm currently studying Mandarin Chinese so I can pass the HSK1 Mandarin Chinese proficiency exam by my birthday this year. So it's never too late. Thankfully, I still had that interest. I'm still connected. But I share that story because so many of us are waiting till we have all of the answers, until things make sense. And most people definitely aren't doing and uprooting their life when so much chaos ensues, right literal moments, it felt like at the time at least, before your departure. Most people would be like, this is the sign for me not to go. I just want to let you know that sometimes the decision is going to be messy, and sometimes you're going to think, does this make sense? But that could be the one decision that changes your life for the better forever. It was for me. It literally was a decision that changed my life for the better. So if you're looking for a sign, if you've been looking for a sign, I hope this video serves as that. Life is never going to stop being chaotic. So you're going to have to trust yourself at some point. Does this mean go and move to another continent with 2 cents in a dream? No. Absolutely not. Don't do that, okay? 0 to 10, don't recommend. But whatever decision that you're waiting to make, chaos is not going to stop. So go ahead and make it. Get going on building your rich life on purpose. I'm talking about mentally, physically, spiritually, and financially. You have the power to do that. You have the power to make a decision. And if you are procrastinating, overthinking, fearful, fear led, or just confused about where to start, be sure to click the link in the description for my Start Before You're Ready challenge. I made it for you so that you can get to the next step. And it's just 7 days. I know you have 7 days. You have 7 days to commit to focusing on one thing in one area of your life so that you can begin transforming your life, mastering your mind, and getting more fulfillment out of this life. Not the next one, this one, the one we have right here, right now. So please, before we continue, Thank you so much for being here with me today. If you haven't already, girl, what you doing? I would truly appreciate it if you subscribe. All right. If you've come back, thank you so much for watching another video. My name is Spivey J, and I truly hope you have a beautiful day. All right. Peace.